Welcome to Storybooks Network channel. According to research, it only takes someone 33 to 100 milliseconds to create an impression of your character. It is obvious that a brief period of time is insufficient to fully assess a person's character. We find it challenging to adjust our initial perceptions of other people because we grow attached to them. We can't manage to establish trust even when confronted with opposing evidence. Learn how to make a strong first impression that will last by watching this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell symbol, then select all notifications to never miss a video upload from us. What are first impressions? The conclusions we almost immediately reach when meeting someone for the first time are known as first impressions. We quickly form this judgment by observing a person's face, attire, posture, and voice. It might be incredibly challenging to alter someone's initial opinion of us. Why do first impressions matter? The first impression you give will have an impact on every relationship you have. First impressions have a very long-lasting effect because they are primarily subconscious. We each have a unique set of filters that we use to view the world and guide our judgments. In most cases, changing a first impression requires time and effort. People are more likely to feel at ease around you if their initial impression of you is one of friendliness, competence, and reliability. The effects of this form of social capital can be profound on both your personal and professional lives. Your positive reputation will spread among others. Possessing strong personal authority might result from making a good first impression. Competence will give others confidence in your skills and abilities if it comes across in the initial impression you make. They are more likely to have faith in your ability to carry out the tasks you've been given and accomplish the objectives you've established. Your chances of being matched with someone who is on par with other applicants in terms of skills and experience can be increased with a strong job interview. New job opportunities can come as a result of networking referrals. In this video we have covered why first impressions are so important. Here are 9 tips to nail that first meeting. 1. Make eye contact. A nonverbal method of communicating is eye contact. Making eye contact is interpreted as a gesture of sincerity and respect. Maintaining eye contact also demonstrates that you are listening to what the other person is saying and are paying attention to what they are saying. However, you must understand the distinction between making eye contact and staring someone down. 2. Smile. Even when wearing a mask, a genuine smile that extends to your eyes conveys sincerity and trust. A genuine smile makes people feel at ease and welcome. Your smile will be visible in your eyes if you notice a tightening of the muscles around them. 3. Wear the proper clothing. Your first impression is highly influenced by what you are wearing. A job interview may give the appearance that you aren't serious about the position if you are dressed too casually. Whether or not they are aware of it, people are impacted by how you look, regardless of whether they agree that looks matter. 4. Be sincere. It pays to be yourself because people can detect insincerity astonishingly quickly. Constant doubt as to whether you are talking or acting in the appropriate way frequently comes across as being untrue. Knowing your talents and limitations and being careful in how you share them are essential components of authenticity. 5. Be an effective communicator. Good communicators spend more time listening than talking. The rule of thumb here is to speak no more than 1/3 as much as you listen. Increased listening demonstrates your focus and gives the other person a sense of being heard. 6. Display encouraging body language. Communication is heavily reliant on body language. Here are some fundamental rules for using good body language. Hold your head up while standing or sitting straight. You'll project a relaxed and assured attitude. Do not cross your legs or arms. As a result, you unconsciously distance yourself from the other person. Give someone your hand for a strong, confident handshake that is solid but not oppressive. 8. Show empathy. Pay attention to how the person you are speaking to is feeling emotionally. Building a strong connection with someone might be facilitated by empathy. It shows that you are sensitive to their feelings. 8. Prepare yourself by doing your research. You can better grasp the situation and setting you will be in by conducting some simple research. It can direct you toward appropriate language usage and help you dress appropriately. Additionally, you could learn something about someone else that you might use to strike up a conversation with them. Making preparations in advance will put you at ease and demonstrate your attention and focus. 9. Display confidence. Even if you don't feel brave, acting confident will give the appearance that you do. A better first impression will result from this air of confidence. In the upcoming videos, we'll look at various topics. Thank you for taking the time to watch our channel.